Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Kim Learn English. Today I have the exercise for you to practice more about past simple tense. Okay, សួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ channel Kim Learn English បាទថ្ងៃនេះដែរខ្ញុំនឹងមានទំនាក់វេយ្យាករណ៍បាទពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងលំហាត់បន្តទៀតហើយបាទគឺបន្តការពីវីដេអូមុនណាបាទអញ្ចឹងគឺខ្ញុំមានលំហាត់សម្រាប់អនុវត្តឲ្យកាន់តែច្បាស់ពីការប្រើប្រាស់ past simple បាទថាតើវាជា regular verb ឬក៏ irregular verb positive negative ឬក៏ទំនង question បាទអញ្ចឹងវាមាន3ទម្រង់ហើយនឹងវាមានពាក់ព័ន្ធទៅនឹងការស័ព្ទប្រែប្រួលឬក៏ជាការស័ព្ទទាំងតបផ្សេងៗត្រូវធ្វើម៉េចឲ្យបានត្រឹមត្រូវតាមទម្រង់របស់គេណា Okay now let's start yeah Justin Bieber okay have you ever known him everyone បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងថប់ស្គាល់គាត់ទេតែ Justin Bieber ហ្នឹងគឺគាត់ជាណាបាទ Okay now let's start for the completing in the expression here right Okay complete the story with the verbs in the past បាទចូលបំពេញសាច់រឿងបាទជាមួយនឹងការស័ព្ទទៅជាទម្រង់អតីតកាលបាទអញ្ចឹងអំពី Justin Bieber right Okay Justin Bieber be born in 1994 in Stratford Ontario Canada okay so in here everyone okay so you can complete in here okay be everyone yeah be2 was right okay was born in 1994 in Stratford Ontario Canada as a child he developed have a lot of interest in music so you have to change to had in the past tense for the irregular verb right the verb begin to perform when he the verb be 12 so he begin to be began right began to perform when he was right okay he was 12 he entered to the local talent competition and he the verb be placed second so he entered so everyone enter just ed for the regular verb right enter to the local talent competition and he be to was right he was placed the second he the verb gave the opportunity of posting his performances in YouTube okay so he gave to God right so he got the opportunity of posting his performances in YouTube the videos soon build the verb build up a fan following and the verb catch the attention of talent agent Scott Brown okay so the video soon build everyone show you how to change to build for the irregular verb build up a fan following and catch so catch to caught caught the attention of talent agent Scott Brown the verb be able to the sexual and audition with Asher Raymond who the verb be impressed and the verb have able to sign a record deal so again Brown B to was right to was able to secure an audition with Asher Raymond who the verb be again to was impress and have have is for the regular verb so you just add ed right okay Bieber to sign a record deal his first single one time B the worldwide hit so was right okay what's the worldwide hit okay continue this verse okay so this verse followed by Bieber's debut album My World which be an international smash. Yeah, so this was follow. Yeah, so follow everyone. Sorry. Yeah, AED. Yeah, because the follow is regular verb, right? Followed by Bieber's debut album. Yeah, by Bieber's debut album. My verb which be got to was was an international smash. He also the verb released a successful concert film Justin Bieber, Never Say Never in 2011. He also released everyone. Release is a regular verb, just a D. Okay. And let's continue. Okay, Bieber, try his hand at acting. So try is a regular verb. Change Y to IE, IED. Okay, so try, right? And he played a Jungle an episode of CSI in 2000. Yeah, he played, everyone. So play is a regular verb, so just add ed. Okay, he has a large and loyal fan base who are said to have Bieber fever and are nicknamed Belbers. Yeah, Bieber continues with a truly successful music career. Okay, so this all for the completing everyone. Yeah, all the expression here. So for the exercise here, answer the question about Justin. So from number 1 to number 8, right? There are 8 questions in here, everyone. So before you answer all the questions, you have to know well about the story. If you don't know or don't remember about the main events, so you will probably difficult to answer over in here. So right now, let's take a look again, everyone, and read for you. So you wait and listen. You're about the reading, and then you just scan some answer to the question. Okay, Justin Bieber was born in 1994 in Stratford, Ontario, Canada. As a child, he had a lot of interest on music. He began to perform when he was 12. He entered to a local talent competition and he was placed second. He got the opportunity of posting his performances in YouTube. The video soon built up a fan following and caught the attention of the talent agent Scooter Braun. Braun was able to secure an audition with Usher Raymond, who was impressed and helped Bieber to sign a record deal. Okay, so let's continue. His first single, One Time, was a worldwide hit. This was followed by Bieber's debut album, My World, which was an international smash. He also released a successful concert film, Justin Bieber, Never Say Never, in 2011. Bieber tried his hand at acting. He played a jungler in an episode of CSI in 2000. He has a large and loyal fan base who are said to have Bieber fever and are nicknamed Belbers. Bieber continues with a truly successful music career. Okay, so everyone, that's all for my reading again. and you have to answer all in here. Okay, now let's start for answer the question. Yeah, so answer. Yeah, number one, who is Justin Bieber? So everyone, you can answer. Who is Justin Bieber? He is, yeah, he is a famous singer, right? Okay, or can say the famous singer in the world too. And number two, where was he born? Yeah, so where? Do you still remember, everyone? Where was he born? He was born, yeah, in Stratford, right? Stratford, Ontario. Sorry, Ontario, Canada. Okay. Okay, and question 3. When was he born? So when? The year he was born, everyone. He was born in 1994, right? And number 4, where did he post his performances? Yeah, so where? In Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, yeah, or anywhere, everyone. Okay, so the answer, yeah, he posted, yeah, it in YouTube, right? And number 5, who is his agent? Who is his agent? Yeah, who, everyone? He is, yeah, he is a Scottish Brown, right? And question number 6, what was his first single? Yeah, first single in the article, everyone. What was his first single? Yeah, so it was it One Time, right? His first single, his famous his first famous song, right? You can say, yeah, it's titled One Time. Okay. And number 7, when did he release his concert film Never Say Never? So when did he release? Yeah, when? Okay, I mean in what year, right? Okay, so he released, okay, he released it in 2011. Okay, released Never Say Never. And the last one, everyone, number 8, when did he play John Killer in an episode of CSI? Okay, so when again? Okay, so he played it. Yeah, he played it. I mean, he played a John Killer. Yeah, so he played in 2000. Okay. Okay, so that's all for exercise, everyone. Yeah, all yes in here for all the space. Yeah, and I also read for you and also answer all the question. So that's all for the question or the exercise in here. Okay, so for the newcomer, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, to get the new upload video. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.